Okay, so this is test 3 review, questions 59 to 64. So first I see a negative in my exponent, and so I just know I'm going to have to move it to the other side, and I move all of that to the other side, and when I move it, I take the negative off the exponent. And if there's nothing for the top, I just put a 1. So now, because it's a fractional exponent, it means I'm going to use a radical sign, and all of this goes under the radical sign, and whatever's down goes here like this. Okay, next one. It says, it wants me to write it as a radical. So this is a fractional exponent, so I know I have to use a radical. This number on the bottom goes here, and this goes up. Okay, there's another way to write it. I can put the 2 on the inside. So I can write it this way or this way. And they're both the same. 61. I have to write this as a radical. So because this is a fractional exponent, I know I have to put this under my radical. And the 5 on the bottom goes as the root. And I can write it like this. Or, oops, there should be a, oops. So this one goes down and this one goes up. I can write this power on the outside, or I can put brackets here and write it on the inside. Both are correct. Okay. So I have to write this. It says write this in exponential form. So this is always going to be on the, because it's a radical, I know it's going to be a fractional exponent. So this goes on the bottom, and this, because this is on all of this inside here, it goes on the top. So 63 says, I just have to simplify this. So let's check. Can I do the third root of, oops, blah blah blah. The third root of 750. No, it's messy. So what I'm just going to do is just going to say, what's here? It's 10 times 75, 2 and 5. 75 is 3 times 25, and that's 5 times 5. So in order to take anything out from underneath this exponent, I have to have a group of 3. So I'm just going to rewrite this. That's the same as 2 times, I have 3 5s, and I have 1 3. So in order to rewrite this, anything that has a group of 3 I can take out. So this 5 has a group of 3, so I can take it out. Okay? So when I take it out, I just write the 5 once. I'm going to write this so you can see it better. The 5 is in the front, and the 3 is the root for the radical sign. And then what do I have left? I have a 2 and a 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, so I can just write it like that. Okay? Let's look at the next one. It says simplify it. So I'm just going to do 160 with my tree diagram. 10 times 16. 2 times, oops, you can't see, 2 times 5, and 4 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 2. So, how many 2's do I have? I have 5 2's, and I have one little 5 here. That's it? Yep. So if I want to take anything out, I have to have a group of 4. So here's my group of 4, I can take that out. Let's write it differently. Okay, here I have a group of 4, and then I have a little 2 left over, and then I have a 5. So here's my group of 4. So if I want to take this out, I have to write my 2. So there's a negative here. I take it out, I write my 2. And this goes with my radical sign. It's not an exponent on here. And what do I have left? I have 2 times 5, which is 10. That's a big radical sign. Let's just make that smaller, like that. Okay.